opening trading view and we see how's our position moving. Guys, it's like pretty moving well, guys. Just look. Just look, guys. Just here I could have entered somewhere again when he mitigated the side. So like I got a second chance, guys, to enter again once it was on this zone here. But guess what? I did not enter because yesterday when I added a position, that thing ended up on me. So I learned my mistake yesterday. But it's cool, guys. Let's not enter more trades. This trade will do for the day. Just look at the momentum, guys. If this demand does its job, it's gonna come to this zone. If it does its job, guys, I think my TP is in the right place. It's in the right place. My TP, yeah, my TP is in the right place. Because I'm sure, guys, my TP is absolutely in the right place. So now let me go to MT5, MetaTrader 5 to see how much I'm up to. This is the trade, guys. You can see nothing changed. See much I entered somewhere here. It went back to touch this line here. It went back. As you guys can see, I'm 100% transparent, and I'm up to $50. You can just check here on the bottom left, $50. Yeah. So guys, let me tell you something, guys. Do you know we're 6 days in the January already? But I want to encourage you guys. There's still more room to perfect yourself. There's still more time to fix what you're not good at and even me, like I'll continue adjusting. Because trading, even though how perfect you are, you always like lose. Losing, it's a must. So now, since we have up about 350 days left, we have to do something about 360 days left. We have to do something about it. So are you also going to let this year go like this or do something about it? Do not forget to always backtest. So like, are you going to make this year go like this or no? The option is in your hands now, either to do something about it or just sit and remain like the way you are last year when you are ever blurred accounts, all that like. So that's it. It's all up to your hands now. You do everything you are willing to do. If you want to change something, remember this is 360 days left, which is enough for someone to like add value over his trading or add some knowledge over his trading. So yeah, that's what. Remember, guys, when I entered, I explained everything. So I'm not go to that details to enter. So yeah. So now, if it breaks this zone, yeah, guys. So continue just back testing, and I know I'm very sure I launched a video about how to back test. You just go to the channel and watch that video. Is absolutely for free. You can just back test. It's the same very app that helped me to back test the skill that I'm in now. Yeah. So like my network's kind of glitchy. Let's see. Anyways, guys. One quote of the day, guys. Never give up. It's just like that, never give up. Because like let your emotions not mess with your brain. Remember yesterday, I even posted a video you can go and check. I want to be 100% transparent with you guys. Yesterday I lost about 90, probably $119. Yeah, because there was a trade I took, but I never screen recorded it the whole stuff. So I lost about $119. Then today I'm here again. I did not stuck to the other side. If you wanted like to know that I'm stuck in that place, you could see like my TP up to this second zone, to up to this second zone. So that's why me, I don't want that to happen. My TP is in a perfect place and I'm okay. I'm willing to take what the market will give me. That's it. That's how trading is, guys. So once you lose a trade, it's not that you are not too good. It's not that you're fake at trading. It's just the market does whatever it wants, guys. Just that's the mindset you should put in your head. So for me, whenever I lose a trade, I don't be like, no, I'm becoming too bad, all this stuff. Though sometimes I can feel bad that I lost a trade, but I don't let that thing kill me completely. Because once it kills me completely, the next trade are over risk Instead of reducing my risk, I'll over risk. I'll take stupid and foolish trades. Yeah, just like that. So guys, you have to like manage your mindset because mindset is key, guys. But if your mind is poor, like I don't know what I can really say. But anyways, when we hit TP, it's good for the day. That's about $160 recovering the loss and plus $60 for $50 on top, which is pretty cool, not bad. So I just pray for the price to just dump now, like this. Then we get hit. I don't care whenever we go up, but I'll look for more trades. I'll look for more trades, guys. I'll look for more trades. So hit the subscribe button if you like such transparent videos like this where I share my losses 100% truth. So just hit the subscribe button. I'll be glad if I find you have hit the subscribe button. So I'll update you guys after a few minutes after like once we are either reverse or just there. Just any time from now I'm out because like I believe I'm out. How hard is $100 to make? Just check 110. How many? 106. I got close now. Let's go. I'll cut that part out. So boom guys, I just came out from football and I came to here now check my trade, the one I just did in the alley, and boom you guys just see how it is. We are just close to TP, just close to TP, and it's a good sign. It's close to TP. Can see, yeah, close to TP. So there is this zone. Like if I want, I can just close the trade here because like I'm tired of holding. Yeah, so that's the first TP. The second TP is right there. So now I'll be deciding. But as I said earlier, this like the way I'm making this money, I showed you guys explanation. Do not mind about the camera. It's kind of like 6 p.m. now. It's kind of dark in Ugandan time. It's dark, yeah. So now let me go to MT5 to check how many profits we are in. Let it load real quick, and we're in $105, which is very good. $100 in profit, not bad. So I'll be considering to close positions maybe here, maybe in the first demand zone. Yeah, I may consider it closing there. Yeah, that's why I think I'll consider to close them. Yeah, once it touches that zone, I'll clear it. But there's a high chance though that it will come to this zone. I'm very sure. If not, like guys, I've been waiting for long, so I can just go ahead to close since morning. Imagine since morning. So I can just go ahead and close the position because I'm tired of waiting since morning and it's late and I don't like trading at night. Yeah, and it mitigated the 4H zone. So guys, I'm playing it safe. I'm out this position, guys. I swear. I'm out of this position. And there's nothing again, just out 99. I can get out at 99 close position. My tab is now glitching, guys. The tab is now glitching. Just look. Let's do like this. The tab is now glitching, guys. Just look. I can't close position. Oh no, guys. Oh, okay. I can't close position. Just imagine. I can't close position. Oh, okay. The tab is kind of glitching, but okay. No, but my instincts are telling me that I can wait for it to, like, you know, just reach there. But it's just like I feel like I'm greedy. According to me, I feel that I'm greedy. I feel that I'm greedy. So I just close all of this position, boom, $100 in the bag. Yeah, bag, guys, the money we lost yesterday fully recovered, and that's how I make $100 live trading. So if you have been following along, just hit the like button. Though my TP wasn't hit, and I'll discourage people to do that. Here is my reason why. Look, just look. Like I was earlier, I just need somehow greedy, I can't lie. So here is my reason why I closed it. You see this demand zone, which had been mitigated, which is mitigated, not hard, which is mitigated. So that's the reason why I'm closing position from there. That's the reason why I'm closing position from there. So guys, you have to always play it safe, you know. Yeah, just always play it safe. Now I'm first going to our community to tell them to close the, because I shared this trade, because I really don't know if they have taken it, because I just posted the signal that when it was near, then I sent a screenshot, then yeah. So let me show you. So that's the reason why I'm closing. So do not be like that. I'm scared of holding the position. No, it's just I have to play it safe. I had a losing streak of 3 losses in a row. So that's the reason why I have to close this position up to gain my confidence. You know, you understand? So I kind of closed here. It's not bad, guys. Somewhere here. I closed like a 1 to 3 risk to reward, which is very good. 1 to 3, yeah, something good like it. So that's how you cut these small, big movements. Like just simple. And I've shared the process and hit the subscribe button once again. And we shall meet on the second video or the second episode that I'm posting.